Introduction. Welcome to our video on choline-rich foods that can supercharge your brain health and metabolism. Choline is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in cognitive function, memory, and overall brain development. By incorporating choline-rich foods into your diet, you can enhance your mental clarity and boost your metabolism. Join us as we explore the incredible benefits of these foods and discover how simple dietary changes can lead to improved overall health and well-being. Let's dive in. What is choline? Choline is a vital nutrient classified as an essential nutrient, meaning our bodies cannot produce enough of it on their own. It plays a significant role in various physiological functions, particularly in brain health, where it aids in the production of neurotransmitters that support memory and cognitive function. Additionally, choline is crucial for metabolism and liver function, helping to transport fats and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Understanding choline's importance can help you make informed dietary choices for better health. Why is choline important? Choline is essential for overall health, particularly in supporting brain development and cognitive function. It contributes to the formation of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter vital for memory and learning. Adequate choline intake has been linked to a reduced risk of neurological disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Furthermore, choline plays a key role in metabolic health by aiding in fat metabolism and liver function. Ensuring you get enough choline can significantly enhance both brain and metabolic health. Top choline-rich foods. In this section, we'll explore 19 choline-rich foods that can easily fit into your diet. From animal sources like eggs and beef to plant-based options such as quinoa and broccoli, there's a diverse range of foods to choose from. Each of these options not only boosts your choline intake but also offers various other health benefits. We encourage you to consider incorporating these delicious foods into your meals to enhance your brain health and overall well-being. Eggs. Eggs are one of the richest sources of choline, making them an excellent addition to your diet. Just one large egg contains about 147 milligrams of choline, supporting brain health and cognitive function. Beyond their choline content, eggs are packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. To incorporate eggs into your daily meals, consider enjoying them scrambled, poached, or in an omelet. You can also add them to salads or sandwiches for a nutritious boost that enhances flavor and health. Beef liver. Beef liver is a powerhouse of choline, containing significantly higher levels than most other foods, about 420 milligrams per 3-ounce serving. This nutrient-dense organ meat is not only rich in choline but also packed with essential vitamins like A, B12, and iron, all of which support overall health. Incorporating liver dishes into your diet can provide a remarkable boost to your nutrient intake. We encourage you to explore various recipes and try beef liver for its impressive health benefits and unique flavor. Chicken. Chicken is a great source of choline, with different cuts offering varying amounts. For instance, a 3-ounce serving of chicken breast contains about 70 milligrams of choline, while thighs provide even more. One of the best aspects of chicken is its versatility. It can be used in a wide range of cuisines, from stir-fries to soups. To retain its nutrients, consider healthy cooking methods like grilling, baking, or steaming. Incorporating chicken into your meals can enhance both flavor and nutrition. Fish. Fish is an excellent source of choline, with varieties like salmon and cod being particularly high in this essential nutrient. A 3-ounce serving of salmon contains about 56 milligrams of choline, while cod offers around 24 milligrams. Additionally, fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart and brain health benefits. We encourage you to include fish in your weekly diet, as it not only boosts your choline intake but also supports overall well-being with its nutritious profile. Soybeans. Soybeans are a fantastic option for plant-based diets, offering a good source of choline. Products like tofu and edamame contain significant amounts, with a cup of cooked edamame providing about 107 milligrams of choline. Beyond choline, soybeans are rich in high-quality protein, making them an excellent meat alternative. They also contain beneficial compounds like isoflavones, which may support heart health. We encourage you to explore soy-based recipes, as they can add variety and nutrition to your meals while enhancing your health. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are a fantastic vegetable source of choline, providing about 63 milligrams per cooked cup. Beyond their choline content, these mini cabbages are rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a nutritious addition to any diet. To enhance their flavor and retain nutrients, consider roasting, steaming, or sautéing them with olive oil and garlic. We encourage you to try Brussels sprouts in various dishes, from salads to stir fries, to enjoy their unique taste and health benefits. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a surprisingly good source of choline, offering about 47 milligrams per cooked cup. This versatile vegetable can be used in a variety of recipes, from soups to casseroles, and even as a pizza crust. Its low-calorie nature makes it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet while still enjoying flavorful meals. We encourage you to experiment with cauliflower as a rice or mash substitute, as it provides a nutritious alternative that can enhance your dishes. Potatoes. Potatoes are a surprising source of choline, with a medium white potato providing about 19 milligrams and a medium sweet potato offering around 16 milligrams. When prepared healthily, such as baking or steaming, potatoes can be a nutritious addition to your diet, packed with vitamin C and B6, potassium, and fiber. We encourage you to include both white and sweet potatoes in your balanced meals, as they can add variety and essential nutrients while satisfying your cravings for comfort food. Quinoa. Quinoa is an excellent grain source of choline, providing about 43 milligrams per cooked cup. Known for its complete protein profile, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a fantastic choice for plant-based diets. Its nutty flavor and fluffy texture make it versatile for salads, grain bowls, and side dishes. We encourage you to substitute quinoa for rice or pasta in your meals, as it not only boosts your choline intake but also adds a nutritious twist to your favorite recipes. Peanuts. Peanuts are a delicious snack source of choline, providing about 24 milligrams per ounce and around 20 milligrams in 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Beyond their choline content, peanuts are packed with healthy fats and protein, making them a satisfying and nutritious option. They also contain essential vitamins and minerals, contributing to overall health. We encourage you to enjoy peanuts as a nutritious snack, whether on their own, in trail mixes, or as a spread, to boost your energy and nutrient intake. Wheat germ. Wheat germ is a nutrient-dense powerhouse, providing about 51 milligrams of choline per ounce. This tiny seed is rich in fiber, vitamins E and B, and essential minerals, making it a fantastic addition to a balanced diet. You can easily incorporate wheat germ into your smoothies for added nutrition or mix it into baked goods like muffins and bread for a wholesome boost. We encourage you to explore whole grain options, as they can enhance your meals while supporting overall health and well-being. Spinach. Spinach is a fantastic leafy green source of choline, providing about 35 milligrams per cooked cup. Beyond its choline content, spinach is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and antioxidants, making it a nutritional powerhouse. Its versatility allows you to enjoy spinach in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes like soups and stir fries. We encourage you to include spinach in your daily meals, as it can enhance both flavor and health, contributing to your overall well-being. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritious vegetable that provides about 63 milligrams of choline per cooked cup. In addition to its choline content, broccoli is rich in antioxidants, vitamins C and K, and fiber, which support overall health and immune function. To enhance its flavor and retain nutrients, consider steaming, roasting, or sautéing broccoli with garlic and olive oil. We encourage you to try broccoli in various recipes, from stir fries to casseroles, to enjoy its delicious taste and numerous health benefits. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the importance of incorporating choline-rich foods into your diet for optimal brain health and metabolism. From eggs and beef liver to plant-based options like quinoa and spinach, these foods offer a variety of nutrients that support overall well-being. We encourage you to take action by trying these delicious options in your meals. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the video for more health tips and insights. Your journey to better health starts now.